SDL is going to be the preferred learning mode of 21st century society. Let us understand what it is and how it can be developed. It is a learning strategy which allows learners to take charge of their own learning process. By learning process, I mean diagnosing learning needs, identifying learning goals, and selecting learning strategies. Learners themselves evaluate their learning performances, processes, and outcomes. Here, the learners control their own learning processes. It is a type of learning mode in which decisions around what to learn, and how to decide if one has learned something well enough are all in the hands of the learners. It is one of the 6 principles of adult learning. What are these 6 principles? Let us discuss them in another video. SDL is individual learners' initiative and responsibility to, with or without assistance, identify, assess, and set priorities for learning needs. It is taking the initiative about learning and receiving minimum guidance from others. It is a type of learning whereby learners take responsibility for what to learn, when, and how. It is learning that occurs when learners explore, question, react, and respond to learning material relevant to their needs. What does it mean? It's a process whereby you develop independent learners, decision makers, and workers. It is creating an environment of independence where conditioning takes place self-imposed with no or little supervision and monitoring. It's a dream society which is the cherished dream of 21st century society. Human race has always achieved what it has dreamt of, and days are not far off when 21st century society will usher in the dream of building an SDL society. Thank you.